Hello my friend, we're tying a white shrimp today. Go! Let's do that again, shall we? Hello my friends, welcome back to the cave. So nice to see you all here on this fine Thursday evening. As mentioned, we are tying a white shrimp today. This one right here. Super simple, fast one, but you definitely want one of these in your box because white shrimps kind of work like magic on a cold winter day. Also in the summer, but especially in the winter there's something magical about it. So what do you say, why don't we just get tying and then we can go fishing. Okay, so let's get this one done. Get some thread on your hook here. Maybe a bit further, just around here, somewhere in between the hook point and the barb. Then I want to have some of this fluorescent orange Angora goat, which I'm kind of digging at the moment. It's kind of like seal's fur, only this is a lot easier to come by and the fibers are a bit longer. So I want to make a small lump there. Brush that out a bit. Tie on top of that. There we go. Maybe a bit more, I think so. It's always a good idea to use some extra time on the head part. You know that, because I've said that before. Now I do apologize a bit for the noise, guys. We're having some workers renew the apartment, so I guess they don't have any feeling towards me tying flies for you guys and not worrying about the audio. So if you hear some background noise, it's just the workers. Get some white dubbing on top of that. Then you want to take some dubbing and just align it by doing like this, pulling them out, placing it on top of each other again, so that they all get straightened. So you end up with a small bunch like this. Place that on top here. get that distributed a bit on the top here. So look, good. Just tie this in as well. So I'm just helping to build up the fly. And you want to take a bit more. Kind of like that. Brush it up a bit. Then grab your favorite shrimp eyes. I make mine myself. These are made with that new black magic from Coastfly fishing or Gulf UV resin. Eye on one side here. That is looking quite good. Secure this. And I kind of want to turn it as I go along here to get it on top of the hook, and then I want to cut it off at an angle around this point. This will help form this little bump the shrimp has in the back. The eye on the other side. Sure the length is as good as the same. I'm sure the sea trout won't pay that much attention to detail, but I like it to be neat. That's the head part done there, and the rest of the way is actually pretty basic. So you want to grab some dubbing. Start from the back here, work your way up to get a base layer going. And I'm just realizing that I forgot the rib, but I can still get that one in. Get that rib on. All the way. Ah, this thread is so slippery. There we go. Cut this off. Continue. So now I've got the first layer here. I want to start building up some kind of a taper. As you know, you want a decent taper on your shrimp flies. Almost any fly actually. Like that. Brush this a bit on the top here, forwards, like that. Then I want to grab some of these silly legs. These are barred pearl. Not too much for a fly like this, I think. Get it on the thread like this. So I have 3 here. I kind of twist them over to one side of the hook and the other 3 pointing backwards on the other side, so that they get distributed on the top of this shrimp pretty evenly. Catch your rib. Get one turn in here. Just like that. And then just continue downwards like this. And now these rubber legs become a shellback and feelers as well, which you'll see in just a minute. Secure that rib. Small head. Cut this off. And then just for good measure, really tighten that up back there. Man, I am so sorry about the noise, guys. I don't want to redo this whole video, so I hope you bear with me here. Make 2 whip finishes back here. And the fly is pretty much done. I just want to trim it and brush it out a bit. So I want to keep a few of these a bit longer for some extra movement up here. I think I want to keep the two rubber legs on the sides longer. Look at this part here, which is one here. So I have two that are a bit longer, and these will wiggle around in the water when you strip it in, making it almost irresistible. I mean, come on, I almost want to eat this myself. So all that's left now is to brush this out. And because you made this base layer underneath this, you can be really mean to it. I don't have to worry all too much about exposing the hook shank here. Just like that. Killer, right? Well, that was it. A fast one today. But that leaves you with more time to go fishing, I guess. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please make sure you do that. And I will see you guys next week.